Hey everyone! Welcome to Mind Eyes. Today we are going to learn about the psychological facts about love. These facts are not just random facts or sayings, but they are scientific facts. Watch till the end to learn this super interesting facts. Fact number 1. Pupil dilate. Is there ever a time when you get so curious to know if a person loves you or not? If you really want to know if the person loves you or not, there is a way to know this. Just look at the person's eyes. The pupil expands as much as 45% when we are in love. Dopamine and oxytocin, also called love hormones, according to trusted source, have an effect on pupil size. When you're sexually or romantically attracted to someone, your brain produces more of these substances. Your pupils appear to dilate as a result of the spike in hormones. The biological need to reproduce may also be linked to dilation. It's been proposed that a man's attraction to wider pupils stems from his biological need to pass on his genes. A woman with dilated pupils reflects his appeal, showing reciprocated interest and possibly sexual excitation. Fact number 2. Leaning and tilting. Do you know that the way someone sits or stands in your presence reveals a lot about their level of interest? Someone who is interested or flirting with you will frequently lean or tilt in your direction. Leaning forward and bringing their upper body toward you are examples of this, as is moving closer to the edge of their seat when speaking to you. A person who leans back or tilts their body away from you, on the other hand, is probably not into you. Fact number 3. Mirroring. Mirroring is regarded to be a nonverbal indicator of interest for a long time. Mirroring is the unconscious or intentional imitating of another person's actions and behaviors. When two people are sincerely involved in discussion, they often unconsciously mirror one another. When someone wants to create a relationship with you, it's also believed that they will emulate your actions. Aligning their activities promotes intimacy and establishes a bond. So, if the individual with whom you're conversing is holding their hand in the same position as you, they're most likely interested. Fact number 4. Touching. Subtle movements, like a grazing arm or leg during a lively conversation, could indicate that interested. Take note of how they speak to themselves while speaking to you. Another indicator of attraction is if they run their hand down their arm or through their hair while staring at or speaking to you. Fact number 5. Love is like a painkiller. Do you know that love is like a painkiller? A Stanford University School of Medicine study discovered that intense passionate feelings of love can be used as an effective pain reliever, acting similarly to illicit drugs such as cocaine. The researchers asked 15 undergraduate students to bring photos of their romantic partner and an acquaintance. The images were then shown to the subjects while a computer-controlled thermal stimulator zapped their hands, causing mild pain. They discovered that seeing images of their loved ones reduced the amount of pain they felt. Fact number 6. It takes about 1/5 of a second to fall in love. The most romantic discovery scientists have made on the subject of love may be how quickly someone can fall in love. According to a meta-analysis study published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine, falling in love takes only about 1/5 of a second. Yes, just 1/5 of a second. Fact number 7. Is it the brain that falls in love, or is it the heart? Many experts have debated whether it is the brain or the heart that falls in love. Stephanie Ortigue of Syracuse University believes it is ultimately the brain, though the heart is involved, based on her research. In the Journal of Sexual Medicine, Ortigue said, activation in particular regions of the brain can cause stimulations to the heart, butterflies in the stomach. Some symptoms that we think are coming from the heart could instead be coming from the brain. Leave your thought about this on the comment. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and share it with someone who will benefit from it. Your support means a lot to us. Fact number 8. Love makes you dumb. When people fall in love, they may do things that are unethical and embarrassing. Sexual desire, in fact, has been shown to turn off the brain regions that control critical thinking, self-awareness, and logical action. It turns off the prefrontal cortex of the brain, which is to fault for new relationship blunders, unwise decisions, and unfortunate situations. Fact number 9. Broken heart syndrome. Research shows that intense or traumatic events, such as breakups, divorce, physical distance, or the loss of a loved one can contribute to real physical pain in a person's heart. This is an actual condition known as the broken heart syndrome. Fact number 10. Love can change people. According to the findings of a study published in the Journal of Personality, even the most pessimistic people can turn for the better with a little amount of love in their lives. The researchers found that being in a relationship indirectly made neurotic partners more optimistic and self-confident, probably because to all the positive emotions and experiences involved with the relationship, after tracking 245 young couples for 9 months. Fact number 11. Honesty is the best policy. If you are looking for a long-lasting relationship, try honesty. According to a study published in the journal Personal Relationships, the more open couples are with one another about how their relationship is doing, the more likely their relationship will last. Fact number 12. Love is addicting. In 2010, a neuroimaging study by Ortic and others found many similarities between love and substance abuse when falling in love. Your brain experiences a blinding euphoria that stems from a cocktail of neurochemicals such as dopamine, oxytocin, and adrenaline. The study also suggested that several different drugs trigger the exact same response in your brain. Not only does the experience mimic drug use, but love is just as addicting. Your brain loves to be in love, and it craves love when that feeling is taken away. That's one of the many reasons why breakups create stress and raise your risk of depression. Passionate love is like an addiction, for better or for worse. Fact number 13. Conflict strengthens love. We've all heard the phrase, opposites attract, but is there any truth to this old adage? Being similar is not always a recipe for perfect love. Love needs conflict to survive. Conflict creates interest, passion, and curiosity. It breeds compromise and allows you to learn from your partner. Not only does this strengthen your connection, but it also keeps your love on its toes. Fact number 14. Long-distance relationship may strengthen relationship. People may try to convince you that long-distance relationships are impossible to maintain, but the evidence suggests otherwise. According to a study published in the Journal of Communication, long-distance relationships are not only as successful as conventional ones, but they are also more effective in fostering trust and contentment among partners. Fact number 15. Men fall in love much faster. Though women are frequently thought to be more emotional than men, a study published in the Journal of Social Psychology discovered that men are the ones who fell in love and declare "I love you" first. The researchers speculate that this is because females are more afraid of having their hearts crushed, albeit they don't know for sure. Tell us, which fact do you like the most in the comment down below. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and do share. Your support means a lot to us. Thanks for watching.